O'Neill says, my mortgage debt is the only debt I have that accrues interest. And I have 11 years to pay it off. I have credit card debt, but I pay the balance off every month. Is the P.I.L.L method for me still?
Listen, that is a very, very good
I
question.
like it.
I love that question. So here's what we're talking about, folks. If your debt is accruing interest, we can determine how much interest you have left to pay. And then if we can figure out how much interest you have left to pay, then with our system, we can figure out how much interest you can save out of that. Okay. So whatever you have left to pay, and I don't know what that is because it is not that cut and dry. So you could have a small amount of interest left. And then I would say, yeah, just go ahead and pay it off. And then take that money that you could have used to save interest and then invest it in someplace. Or you could have a lot of interest left to pay. I don't know. But this is why we ask people to go to ice10k.com, ice10k.com. That stands for Interest Cancellation Expert, ice10k.com. And then once you go there, you'll see a button that says Get a Savings and Earnings Report. You see, people call us often and ask us, how can we just go ahead and purchase the program? And we don't see it on the website. I said, well, that's for a reason. This is one of those businesses where you just can't come up and purchase. No. You know how they said you can make money at night with, selling, products and service. You just can't come up and buy our product. It's not possible because we want to make sure that you're going to be successful in using our products and services. Yeah. So everybody has to do a savings and earnings report so that you can know how much interest you can save. And when the month, day, and year, you can be debt free. And then when you see that, it says, oh, the cost of the program, we're going to be able to take care of that in interest savings. Yeah. And it's not me really paying for it. It's the money the bank's not going to get. So we're going to get your bank to pay the fee and you keep the change. How about that? So this is what we do. This is how we do this. And then once you see all your benefits, then you can say, I want the program. Yeah. But not until you had an orientation to how the program really works. Because people come in with their preconceived ideas about how loans work because how we've been conditioned. We have to unteach and then reteach some information so that you can understand what we're doing. No one becomes a P.I.L.L method client and not have a basic understanding about what we do. Now, once you become a client, you'll find out that this thing is way more robust than we could ever explain in an hour. You know how you said, I'm getting way more value than I thought I was going to get? This is one of those deals. All right. Yeah. This is one of those deals. So yes, the P.I.L.L method can be for you, but I will say this. I have done an analysis for people and the P.I.L.L method was not for them at that time because they were in their forever home already. So if they were not in their forever home, let's say you have 11 years left on this mortgage, but you plan to buy another home. Yes, then I would say definitely the P.I.L.L method would be for you, but you still want to know all your benefits are. And if you're thinking about purchasing another home, let's see how we can fit all of that in and you can make the best of this situation. I hope that answers that question.
Yeah, I think it does.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.